Hello, hello beauty, and welcome to your May-June Discovery Bundle unboxing. This is such a fun one and I can't wait to dive in. But first, if we haven't met before, I'm Jessica Principe, founder and creator of All Girl Shave Club, and I'm thrilled that you're here with me for the next few minutes, but I'm even more excited that you've got your Summer Lovin' Discovery Bundle. This bundle is all about those sweet, sweet summer vibes. So if you're ready, let's jump right in. First up, we have the Say It, Live It, Be It collectible affirmation card. If you're new to us, every bundle comes with this keepsake card that includes an affirmation on one side and a self-care challenge checklist on the other. This month's affirmation is, I shine like the sun wherever I go. Because you do. Your light is bright, and when you embrace it, you touch the lives of others around you, even if you don't realize it. And that's what this is all about. When we feel good about ourselves, it's such a domino effect on everyone around us. Keep this baby in a place where you can see it and speak it often throughout the next few months. On the right-hand side of the insert card is your self-care challenge checklist. These fun items are simple ways that you can be intentional about showing yourself a little love this month. I hinted at this item in our last unboxing video, so I feel like I need to start with this one. And it's one of my favorite items because I think it's so beautiful, but it's also incredibly versatile as well. That's really important to me because one of the goals of these discovery bundles is to add convenience to your life. And there's nothing more convenient than a gorgeous wristlet that can be worn and used for so many different purposes. So this is the Jules K Wristlet. It's in a gorgeous robin's egg blue with a slight snakeskin pattern. It's just so lovely. I love the gold accent on the clip and the zipper. It just adds a little elegance to it. And inside is nice and spacious, and it has a retail value of $48. There are so many ways that you can use this pretty bag, from keeping it casual while running errands. It just slips right on your wrist so you don't have to carry it around, and it's nice and lightweight. It can also be dressed up for dinner out and to store those date night essentials. It's big enough to carry a phone, a wallet, and some other small items without being too bulky. The other way that I can't wait to use mine is by bringing it to the beach. I feel like it's the perfect size to keep my phone, earbuds, and chapstick all in one place so that I'm not digging through my big beach bag for those smaller items. I also think it will be a really cute piece to carry around on the boardwalk. The color is such a lovely neutral blue that it really can pair with almost any other color. So I love that about it as well. It really is the perfect accessory for this season, and I can't wait to see how you use it too. So please share your photos on Facebook or Instagram and tag us at All Girl Shave Club so that I can see them and reshare them with the rest of the All Girl Shave Club community. Up next, we've got Tinted Lip Oil in Flamingo. Summer is really the perfect time to embrace a dewy lip look, and this gloss is ultra moisturizing with a little pop of pink. You can wear it on its own for a hint of glossy color, or you can wear it on top of your favorite lip color for a custom look. That's what I did today. I just layered it on top of my pink lip crayon, and I created my own fun summer look. What's cool about a lip oil is that it has a consistency between a balm and a gloss, so it's really great for hydrating delicate skin, and it doesn't have as much stickiness as a traditional gloss does. Since I know you're busy and you need to keep things easy, this oil is a multitasker for your lips. You'll get the benefit of hydration like a lip balm with the shine and color of a gloss. I can't wait to hear what you think about it. Nothing says summer more than Hawaii, so we decided to bring a little bit of the Hawaiian Islands straight to you with the hydrating body mist from Maui Soap Company. You received one of 5 featured scents. I have Plumeria here, but the others include Pukaki, Mango, Maui Kiss, or Island Sands. I honestly couldn't pick a favorite. They all smell absolutely amazing, but what's even better is that they're hydrating for your skin, so you can mist it all over your face or your body after you've spent a long day in the sun to rehydrate and nourish your skin, or just when you first step out of the shower. It's alcohol-free and enriched with oils of kukui, coconut, and macadamia nut. If you're not familiar, kukui oil comes from the kukui nut, which has been used for centuries in Hawaii to treat skin conditions like sunburn, dry skin, psoriasis, eczema, and stretch marks. So this is just a really fun way to hydrate your skin while also leaving it refreshed with a tropical scent of Hawaii. Speaking of the islands, when it comes to summer lovin', who else thinks of the beach? If you're on the Surprise Me option for your subscription, then you received a jar of Beach Babe shave butter. Beach Babe is a customer favorite. It has notes of coconut, orange, and driftwood for a sweet summer escape. Whipped shea butter is packed with good-for-you ingredients like avocado oil and shea butter to penetrate deep into your skin and lock in moisture while you shave so that your legs are as soft as a dolphin when you're done. It also contains bentonite clay, which adds lubricant and a protective barrier to prevent nicks and cuts. Your legs will be totally summer ready with this in your bathroom. Just a reminder that my team will also be sending you some special treats by email over the next few weeks that support your Discovery Bundle this cycle, so keep your eye on your inbox for those subscriber perks. If you have a favorite product from this month's bundle, I'd love to hear about it. Snap a photo and tag me at All Girls Shave Club on Facebook or Instagram, and use the hashtag AGSCShare so that I can see it and reshare it with our community. When you share, you'll also be entered to win free products. We pick a winner every month from those who share and tag us, so definitely make sure you join in on the fun. As always, I want to thank you for being a member of All Girls Shave Club. I hope that these goodies help you soak up the best kind of summer mood whenever you use them. Next cycle's theme is perfectly polished, and we've got some super unique treats coming your way. You'll get a sneak peek email a few days before your next renewal, and you don't want to miss it. In the meantime, if there is anything we can do for you, feel free to reach out to our friendly customer service team at hello@allgirlshaveclub.com. See you next time.